Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge hosted by Shana of Shinoki Art. And our prompt is dark green. And the only requirements we have are to use one item every week. And for me, that's going to be stickers. I use these, or I may use some of my other ones. And to have one item that we used last week to use this week. And for me, it's the other half of this hexagon. I'd count the sides, or maybe octagon. Yeah. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, everything's going pretty good here. I hope it is in your world. First of all, I'm going to sand down my card so I can have some tooth to add my papers. Be sure and check out Shinoki Art, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 3 to see what everyone else has made. All right, so I've got that sanded down. I'm going to use some matte medium and just add on some of my, that's probably a little too much, but we'll make it work. Sometimes I don't get enough. Because I want it to stick. Okay. So I'm just gonna tear that. And I've got this as well. Hope I made it big enough. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some of this on the back of it just to make sure I'm well adhered. Okay. Cut that pretty close. Okay. So let me I'll hold off on putting that up. Now I've got some of these pieces that I thought were pretty. I'm not sure where I got them from. Let me go ahead and cut around this so I'll have some idea of what I'm looking at. There has been some gorgeous cards made. I love this challenge. I love working in smalls. And I am liking how, just with the one prompt and the little rules that she has. Okay. So far the prompts have all been colors, and I've liked that. Okay, so now I like that. I like that. Well, let me see. I have to use that. So let me go ahead and I will ink these. Not a whole lot's been going on with me. So I think I'll I don't want it in the center. Get that down. Next time I won't use so much matte medium. And I do need to bring it over just a tad because I want it to overlap. All right. Now do I want to add? I don't think so. So I'm going to go ahead and cover the top of this with matte medium. So that everything will stay down. And I'll be back. All right, I think it's pretty dry. So now I'm going to take some of my rustic wilderness and I'm just going to go around the edges of these little flowers that I used my punch on. That'll work a little better. I don't know, may not. I'm thinking. I think I'm just gonna. I don't know whether to double them up or not. Yeah, I think I will. Okay. Just a little bit on the tips. I just have this punch from Hobby Lobby. I think I'll swap that around. It's a little bit too much green. I want the white to pop. To pop against the dark green. All right. Okay. Oops. All right, and now, let's see. Got my sticker. Now, do I want... She's cute, but I don't know if she'll stand out enough. I like the little mushroom. And I like that kind of going up the side. So I think that is what I'm going to do. Got that. And got that. And now I just need to tack down. I wished I'd saved my... Let's see if I have some on here. There we go. Just want to... Probably not enough. Take away the shine just a little bit. All right. All right. I think I'll go there. Go there. And there. Okay. Now I want to offset these. Make them look fuller. cute. And like that. And I've got, oh, I'm going to add the butterfly. Got it, why not use it? I need 3 of these. So I'm just going to go the center of each flower. Oops. Here we go. That's pretty. And now I want to go around the edges with, I believe I'm going to use my walnut stain. Clip that off. A little bit of, I think that's all that needs to be clipped. Nope, got that side. Put a little bit of the vintage photo or walnut stain on there just to take away the shine a little bit. All right. And now I'll just add some gold splatters. All right. I like it. And I believe, see, there was, I'm not sure which card this is. It's either 4 or 5. Get that glue. All right. See, we had the yellow, we had the red, yellow, light green, and dark green. So I believe this is number 4. If it's not, I'll change it in my description box. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out Shana's channel at Shana Art. She's very talented. I love to see what she comes up with. And be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 3 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.